At UCT's Faculty of Engineering and Built Environment, EBE, we believe that the future is not something to wait for, but something to engineer and build. In our student-centered approach, we ensure that when you complete your internationally accredited degree at Africa's leading university, doors to a wide range of opportunities are opened for you. With a degree from our faculty, you will be able to contribute to imagining, designing, and building systems that will improve lives, and to building a fairer and more sustainable environment for our people. Since UCT is a research-led university, you will interact with academics that are involved in cutting-edge research, and you will experience firsthand how knowledge is created through research and innovation. Due to our emphasis on research, our students acquire critical thinking skills that are highly sought after in all workplaces. We promote teamwork during project and laboratory sessions to prepare our students for future roles in planning and designing teams, and for social interactions in future professional roles. We teach our students to be ethical, adaptable, resilient, focused, and creative, so that when they work on challenging problems in future, they are ready. At EBE, we will mold you to become a responsible citizen who will answer the call to contribute to developing our country, continent, and indeed the world. Study here at UCT's Engineering and Built Environment, where our purpose is to drive innovation, entrepreneurship, and leadership in knowledge creation. Choose EBE, choose UCT, choose us.